Good morning. We are starting off today in Chetumal, right on the border of Mexico and Belize. Back on another Living Waters trip. So I'm gonna do some traveling today, visit some sites. Yeah, a lot of traveling today. But here we go. So we have arrived to Nicolas Bravo. It's our first stop for today. We got a meeting here. See how it goes. We're deciding if we're going to install a water purification plant here at Living Waters. We're not sure what their response is going to be exactly. And yeah, so we'll have this meeting and see what happens. Project is a go. We're gonna do it. Everyone's in agreement and we signed the paperwork, and hopefully November of this year we'll have a water plant right there. So this is a cool project. This is a project with 3 different churches from the US, a Rotary Club, and the church here in Mexico, all partnering together to make this water plant happen here in Nicolas Bravo. Today's been a good day. Working it once again today with Living Waters for the World. I think I've talked to them a little bit. A lot of people know about it, but Living Waters for the World is an organization that works in over 20 countries and all over the world. About 800 plants throughout the world, and they focus on partnering churches and different organizations in the US with different organizations around the world to install water purification plants. The idea allowing different communities to have quality water, good purified water at a reasonable price that they can afford. And right now I'm traveling along as a translator, technician kind of person with this team from Texas. Today we woke up in Chetumal, traveled to Nicolas Bravo, where we signed the covenant, figure out kind of specifics to sort of installation we'd like to do at the end of this year. Hopefully November, December we'll be installing a water purification plant there. From there we traveled up to Limones, which is one of our newest plants that we just installed this last February. Got to visit with them, see how they're doing, and they're doing wonderful. Really good production there right now. And then we've traveled here to Kawa. We're here Real Maya. So we got a little rest time right now, and then we're gonna head to Valladolid to catch some dinner, check out the city a little bit, and come back and rest. Ready for another day of travel tomorrow, visit some more sites, and finish this trip off.